Hello, my name is Felita Cornog, and I am the managing attorney of the law office of Felita Cornog, where I am affectionately known as the adoption auntie. We do adoption and family law. I do all types of adoptions, private adoptions, step-parent adoptions, grandparent adoptions, relative adoptions. The only adoptions I do not do is international adoptions. We also do legitimations. As many of you may know that in the state of Georgia, when a child is born out of wedlock, the biological father has no legal rights to that child. So we assist the father in getting legal rights to their children. Also, we do paternity. There are some situations where I'll get a call from someone. They'll say, hey, I've given birth to this child, but the father is not claiming the child and I'm not getting child support. So we will assist that person in establishing paternity first of all, and then getting child support. We have been in Conyers for almost 25 years now. I started the practice in December of 1999. I actually started with my former husband, Mr. Otis Weldon, who has the Weldon Law Firm on West Avenue. And in the summer of 2012, I changed the name of the law office to the law office of Felita Cornog. So sometimes you'll see Cornog and Associates online, but we are one and the same. So when I started law school, I knew that I was going to be doing juvenile law. When I was growing up, I saw a lot of things that were happening in my community. There were, dropout rates, and kids were just kind of just wandering aimlessly, had no goals in life. And of course, that means that sometimes you get into trouble. Also, I knew that eventually I was going to start doing adoptions as well. And my reason for behind doing adoptions is because one of gratitude. When I was younger, me and my younger brother, my mom died. We were little. I was about 8.5. My brother was about 6.5. And we were fortunate enough to have family to take care of us. So we didn't end up in the foster care system. But that's not the case for a lot of children, and they do end up in the foster care system. So I am a big advocate of foster care adoptions. So whenever I get a chance to speak on adoption, I'm going to always ask someone to consider doing foster care adoptions. One of the good things about Conyers, this is Rockdale County, but you're situated, on one end of Conyers, you got Gwinnett County. On the other end, you've got DeKalb County. On the other end, you got Newton County. So my clients come from all the surrounding clients, and I've also helped clients in some rural areas where they're kind of underserved by attorneys. When I do feel that I can work with a client, my first thing to do is to assure them that we are going to help them take care of this problem. Thank you for taking the time to learn about what we do here at the law office of Felita Cornog. You can always reach me by telephone at 404-298-7373. Our website address is cornoglaw.com, and I invite you to visit our website because I do a weekly blog and it is a wealth of information. I am on Facebook, Instagram. Also, you can find me on LinkedIn. And again, thank you so much for learning about what we do here at the law office of Felita Cornog.
Thank you for watching Rockdale 23. Follow us on social media at Rockdale Gov or YouTube at Rockdale 23.